Okay, so I'm finally getting around to making a video about this, uh, what do they call it, direct weather station that it looks like it has a RF and the outdoor, I think it's temperature and humidity, and indoor temperature and humidity, and it also has a forecast. So I'm going to go ahead and pause, and I also am documenting another situation. Really, I'm not documenting. I usually don't document the weather stations, but I want to document the situation, and this is with a TX8U outdoor sensor. It also has wind speed, and I'm going to go ahead and pause, and I'll show that. Well, that sensor, also with the wind speed sensor, goes with this model here. And I guess I'm at it. There's my, that blew up. See a little crack out of the chip there. But this is working great. So I've been using with the 5-volt setting. It's working great. But that outdoor sensor wasn't working. All of a sudden stopped working. So I opened it up, and I've already put that back together. I didn't make a video regarding, but the station I showed you at first, I just opened that up because that similar, well, actually that's not the external sensor. Here, I'll show you. Okay, here's the sensor. This is, well, technically this isn't the sensor. This is, I think, the transceiver. I guess it does the RF weather station and the Ethernet. That antenna flips open, but I'm going to leave it closed. Then you can plug in the Ethernet, and there's a power supply that goes with it. Well, I plugged it in, and it was really loud, making kind of like a small transformer buzzing sound. So similar to the station I just mentioned, the TX8U, but here I remember to document before I started cleaning, similar to this white corrosion. I don't know. The other station didn't look like it had bad capacitors, so I didn't assume bad capacitor leakage. This one has bulging capacitors, so I assume capacitor is bad. Not necessarily capacitor leakage, because it could be, you know, the lead or something from the solder. That's if somebody knows, comment down below, please. So make sure to comment down below, subscribe at least, but comment if you know exactly what that is. I assume it's flux and solder residue or something. I don't know. But cleaning that up, I'm going to clean this up next, and hopefully that'll work. If not, I probably should while I'm at it, because that capacitor is bulging. Desolder, test the capacitor, and then solder in a replacement. But yeah, so just wanted you to know with these Crosse and maybe some others, if the sensor's not working, it may be on the device itself, because that's why you see with the weather station I showed before, it goes to the TX8U, the power supplies externally are there for a reason, probably because the batteries went bad and leaked on those plug-in terminals, or the contacts for the batteries. But you know, these can have that situation as well, but what I'm finding is now this is the second device that's external to that station that has that similar white oxidation or corrosion, and probably shorting out something in the circuit. So just needs to be cleaned up. I use a brush. I might need a little pick tool to scrape away, and then some IPA with, I use, oh, you get these little cheap tweezer kits that come with, like, I guess they're an eyelash brush. Eyelash brush that real good, then brush off with a horsehair or pig hair, whatever they are, brush. And then maybe IPA again with a Q-tip, go around, dry everything off, and should be good to go. All right, be safe, stay healthy. Until next time, save, and learn something new.